It's very important for me that my boys are very comfortable in a wide variety of environments, since they have to do tasks for me sometimes when I'm not conscious. As we live in London, we have limited access to the tube network because of my wheels. There are only 3 stops where we can get off in central London. As a result, we can walk straight out into the middle of a riot, peace protest, or just a normal quiet day. And sometimes, just occasionally, we walk out into the middle of a parade, such as opening Houses of Parliament, because our 2 tube stations that we most commonly frequent are King's Cross or Westminster Station.
Yoga, look it.
Everything will go, but your soul will never die.
Good.
Your soul will go somewhere.
Good, Yoga. Settle little rat bag.
Hearing them is not a negotiation. Good. So today we're going to Westminster Station. This will help us avoid all the thunderstorms that are around, because we can just nip inside if we are going to get soaked. And it will give Iago a very important lesson in dealing with crowds now that he's feeling much better and is much more grown up.
This train terminates at Flatters.
Yoga, stand up. Up, little one. Come on, up. Sandy, get it. Get your mat. Sandy. Sandy, get it. Sandy. Oh. I love you loads, but you're being a twat. Enough years of experience to know that when you stand up, give it. Right. Sort you out. Iago, step. No, Iago, step. Zazu, post you. Yes, that post. Oh, thank you. Iago. Left. Right, so I haven't tried to break myself. Somebody please find the lift. Zazu, step up. No, step up. Zazu, step up. Thank you. I'm trying to do 6 things at once. Iago. Go. Thank you. Left. No, left. Zaz. Zazu, lift. Zazu, lift. Up, up. Yes. Step back. Good boy. Wait. Good boy. Yeah, go. We get a drink as soon as we get out. Here it comes. Yeah, go head up. Good lad. Yes. We ready? Yeah, go step. That's you stand. Yeah, go. What's that? Any eating? Yeah, go. Here, here, here. Up, up, up. Yeah, go. What's up? Up. Okay, Zazzy's got it. Well done. Try doing the light. Zazzy, over. Good boys. Step in, step. No, Iago. Iago, no. Stand up and turn around. Good boy. You can't get your head around these lips, haven't you, darling? Yeah? You're not doing it on purpose. But we're not going out the same way we came in. Steady, Iago.
So far, so good. Looks like we get our normal, quiet Saturday experience in Westminster.
Very good. You snap it on your face. You have to take it for me. Iago, good lad. Yes. Very good. Let's go forwards. That's it. Good boy, Iago. Just steady. Nice and steady. Good lad. Pull. Thank you. Dazzy, step back. Dazzy, step back. Iago, step back. Good. Good boy, Iago. Let's walk. Iago, steady. Iago, steady. Left turn, boys. Alright, right and then left, even. Good boy. Very good, Iago. Yay, good boy. Woohoo. Yep, left. Good lad. Welcome to Westminster Square, people. Iago. Very good. Good heel. Good heel. Yeah, good. Bap, 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 bap. Good. And stop. Because Mum needs to dip into the other pocket. Wait. Iago. Iago. Heel. Good. Very good. Yeah, I know. Walk on. Let's make a right. Walk on, Sassy. Very good. Good boy. Yes. Out turn. Good. Good boy, Iago.
Lalu, karga odi na ina.
Good lad. Yes. Sorry. I can't go any slower, sorry. And they all need to get across the road.
At this point, I realised there was some kind of protest
Yes,
going on.
Iago.
And I thought, well, you got to train them at some point, so let's go for it.
Come left. Stop. Come on, let's walk.
Elle a fait des trucs aussi pour ses...
Step back, sorry. I need to get off the road, please. Thank you. Good. Very good.
We should seek to be as peaceful a species as we can and find ways to coexist with each other. Unfortunately, human nature means that, well, we fight. I have no political opinion towards this rally going on or not. I have no affiliation to it whatsoever. And I'm just here using this as an opportunity to train my little assistance dog and remind my old man that sometimes people are loud, noisy and occasionally obnoxious. And despite that, all they need to do is focus on me and they'll be fine. I'll keep them safe. An unspoken promise I hope to always be able to live up to.
Good boy. Very good, Iago.
Zazu is on my right, minding his own business and being a very good lad. I can't believe what happened next. He's wearing a normal harness, thankfully not anything with his training association's logo on it, but still, really, don't put a cape on my dog, don't put a flag on my dog, don't touch my dog. Don't post your ideas about why my dog may or may not be there on social media. Unless you have spoken to me, just don't.
Get them banned from being assistance dogs. Don't. I try it, yeah. Iago, come on up. Up. Step up. Good boy. That's fine, Mum. We'll just turn here and toe. We'll just take toe right here. Right here. And give. Iago, out. Good boy. Let's go. Steady. Okay. Left. Iago. Very good. Whoop. Oh, Samson, good boy. Right, we can't walk on the grates, can we, old man? Not with our boots on. Good boys. Yes. It's a dog. It's not going to eat you. Good lad. Good man, Saz. Very good. Very good. Boring bits. Good boy. Very good. Good boy. We've had a big screen. Good boy, Iago. Very good. Oh, nice, beautiful. Lovely walking. Very good. Stop. Good boy. It's all right. Thank you. Good boy, Iago. Very good. That's it. Iago, steady. Thank you. Iago, yeah. Iago, leave it. Sorry, the bananas were a bit tempting, weren't they? It's alright, Iago. I know. Do you want to use the tree? Left. Yeah, use the tree. Yep, no. Iago, there aren't many tree options. Good boy. Good use a tree. That's it. Good lad. Right, position. No, Iago, position. Yeah, good. Very good.
We stopped to speak to this girl and her family and explained that, yes, they're big. Sometimes they can be a bit scary, but they're generally friendly and the best approach to deal with dogs is to simply ignore them. She actually decided she wanted to give Zazu a cuddle, and I let her. Zazu can have a cuddle on cue and then get back to work without bothering himself. Iago is still working on this skill, so I don't invite people to pet him when we're out and about, unless he's somewhere we know well, and I know that he'll be able to refocus.
Little hound. Little hound. Thank you. Dad. You're going to need a harness and a long line, aren't you, to go in that park? Because you're being a bit of a silly hound. Good boy. So this is Horse Gods Avenue. Those don't know. Hey, steady. Iago. Let's go left. And the entrance to the park is over here. Iago, leave it. Good man. Very good. Iago. Steady. Oh, but of course, there is a distinct lack of ramps. About turn. This is the park you can only get into at one end. Good boy. Iago, steady. Very good. Steady. Left. Good boy. Ah, no, they've opened the side gate. Left.